Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AI Agent Layer token. Ticker symbol is Aifun. Now this token is on the base chain and they have a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, very popular project. We're going to go over the AI Agent Layer token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on BaseScan. If you're looking for the price and the charts and all the statistical information, you can find it on CoinMarketCap, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. According to BaseScan, 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 500 million Aifun tokens. Current price right now is about 9.1 cents US per token. And they have an on-chain market cap of $45.5 million and a circulating supply market cap of $24.86 million. So a huge project. Right now they have 11,811 holders, and they've had a total of 416,851 transactions. Very popular project here. Now their webpage is at aiagentlayer.com. It says launch app. You can stake tokens on there. Products. They have all sorts of links here. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. Now, probably the easiest way is this token was recently listed on Mexc Global. And it says that right on their webpage. Also Gate. And you can get the token off of DEXs as well, like Aerodrome. But yeah, so if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you are looking to get this token here, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Aifun, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, the AI Agent Layer introduces a pioneering platform that allows users to create, personalize, and tokenize AI agents in a fully decentralized ecosystem. Through a seamless and accessible interface, users can launch tradable AI agents in just 15 seconds, each represented by tokens paired with the native currency Aifun. By transforming social media personas and data-driven insights into customizable AI agents, AI Agent Layer brings a new paradigm to digital identity, social media engagement, and DeFi. With its unique blend of automated token generation, liquidity mechanics, and robust marketplace, AI Agent Layer empowers individuals to engage with audiences and participate in a vibrant social to AI economy. So they have a full white paper you can find on their webpage, or you could just go to aifun-1.gitbook.io, and they have tons of info over there. Too much to even go over in this video, so we're going to go over just the main points here. So it says our mission is to enable anyone to launch their own AI agent instantly tradable with one click. The AI Agent Layer is pioneering the future of digital identity by seamlessly integrating AI, social media, and decentralized finance. Through an intuitive platform, users can quickly create, personalize, and tokenize AI agents that reflect real-world personas, allowing them to engage, trade, and build meaningful interactions within a vibrant ecosystem. Now, the platform's robust combination of instant agent deployment, automated token generation with AI fund pairing, and built-in liquidity establishes a foundation for a sustainable, decentralized economy where digital personas gain both value and versatility. Now, their mission is to enable anyone to launch their own AI agent instantly and tradable with one click. The AI agent layer exists to push the boundaries of digital identity. In this platform, identities are not confined to their creators. Instead, anyone can create, interact with, and trade digital personas, whether representing themselves or bringing fictional, idealized, or specialized personas to life. From avatars and advisors to influencers and companions, the possibilities for these AI agents are limited only to the imagination. So they have instant AI agent deployment with 15 seconds, easy to use platform, automated token generation and pairing. So each AI agent is tokenized and automatically paired with AI fund, ensuring liquidity and facilitating seamless trading in a fully decentralized ecosystem. And this integration provides transparency and value to each token, simplifying transactions and engagement. Also, data-driven personalization. So AI agent uses insights from social media to develop unique personalized agents by analyzing hundreds of posts from platforms like X. The platform enables agents to mimic real-world personalities, creating dynamic and relatable digital personas. The platform supports a multi-agent ecosystem, enabling users to create and manage multiple AI agents, each with distinct personalities and trading options. The built-in liquidity pool mechanics ensure that users have flexibility and control over their assets. Now, to support a healthy and balanced ecosystem, AI Agent has developed a comprehensive tokenomics and distribution strategy for the AI Fund token, focusing on initial circulation, incentivization, and long-term sustainability. Now, 32.2% of the tokens go to early contributors, 7.8% of the tokens go to private sale, 18.8% of the tokens go to Launchpad, 18.8% to liquidity and central exchanges like Mexc Global and Gate, 4% advisory, 10% strategic reserve, 2.3% Fjord, and 6.2% airdrops. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.